thank you for tuning in. This is Vanity Roofing here today. We're here to showcase one of our latest innovations. We have purchased a new Metal Man machine. This system enables us to on-site form or manufacture metal panels for either your roof or siding. Metal is one of those products that cannot be done incorrectly. Everything is marginal in terms of installation within inches. And so typically, previously, before owning these machines or these machines even coming into the market, roofers like us would have to order the metal panels, have them fabricated in a different location and shipped expensively to us. And now we are able to create these panels. If there's any mistakes, we're able to rectify the issue immediately and ensure that ultimately you end up with a seamless roof system that you wanted. Let's take a look over here. This Engler Metal Man multi-panel machine was manufactured in New Jersey and shipped to us. We are now running a standing seam profile only. There are multiple profiles available, but we are going to stick to what we know best, which is a true standing seam metal roof. Now, you can upgrade and have a double lock system, but for the most part, even a single lock is more than sufficient for a 50-year system. Thank you for watching this video today. Please be sure to give us a follow at Vanity Roofing on Instagram.